Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
I would like to introduce you my colleague Zhenxing Wang. He is an associate professor in China, Shanghai Second Polytechnic University, and now he is a visiting scholar here in Peter Kiewit Institute. I am sure he will give us an interesting speech. Let's all welcome him.
Hello everyone. I think everyone have seen some products like cleanrobot. However, today I will introduce about the mopping robot. Mopping robot is different with cleanrobot. So let's see something about the mopping robot. My agenda include 5 sections. The first is general background. And then we will I will talk about the technical background of this mopping robot. Then the market condition and the market risks. And in the end, I will talk something about the investment analysis. This is my team number. Except me, there are 2 other guys. The second guy, he is responsible for the technical research issue, and she right now is academy, worked in the Academy of China and Academy Institute of China, and the third one is responsible for the market director. And right now I have altogether 35 patents on electronic products. In this about 5 years, I have designed lots of products, include like ping pong trading machine, and on development board, power inverter, smart home, e-book, onboard helicopter dashboard, and IP camera, gas detector. These are my products designed in these years. This is a ping pong trading machine. It can be installed on the ground. You can trade ping pong with it. And this is installed on the desk, can training. And this category is the development board. I sell this product to company. They based on this product, they can reproduce their new product. And this is a robot designed for some company in last year. It's a toy robot, balanced, only 2 wheel balanced. And this is a formaldehyde detector. If you decorate it, there's some poisonous gas, and detect the poisonous gas about 1 per million, 1 particle per million. And this is smart home, and and this is my latest product, mopping robot. Include the 2 main parts. The first part is indoor navigation system, and the second is mopping robot. Here I will play a small section of the video can't display here. I don't know why. Okay. This mopping robot have some innovation points. The first is about the complete coverage as an algorithm. What's this is used? For example, if I put the mopping robot on the room, it should cover all the area of the room. So this is a complete coverage. If we have some area not covered, it's very useless. Customer will not satisfied. So this is the most important. And the second is edge clean. Edge clean means the robot can clean the edge of the wall. So every area of the room you can like the edge or some area can clean. And the third is indoor navigation. Without indoor navigation technology, the robot will go random. So it can't cover the first goal. The first goal can't be satisfied. And also the dynamic obstacle avoidance. This is because sometimes there are like dogs or cats inside the room. They will touch the robot. So this kind of belong to dynamic obstacle. This is the prototype of my product. This is the three-dimensional design, and this is printed by three-dimensional printer. And here is the main part, main PCB board. And this is the mechanical structure. And this is the navigator. And this is the designed by UG software. So it's they have a lot of stuff to do this work. However, it's incredible. Except this 3D design, all are designed by myself. This product have been exhibited in different countries. In Germany, China, Russia, and Guangzhou exhibition. There are a lot of customers have negotiated with me. And this is reported by a newspaper. This is a very famous web station. The total use of this web station about the whole population of America in China, all around the world. And here we will continue to talking something about the market analysis. This is only data abstract from cleanrobot, not mopping robot, because we right now I can't find any data about mopping robot. So this is cleanrobot. From the cleanrobot you can see every year the requirement is the sales requirement as the amount of sales is increased. And this is the data from iRobot company. You can see it also increased. So from this, from the domain of cleanrobot, I can predict that the mopping robot is also will increase about the requirement. Right now, there are a lot of companies, they produce cleanrobot, include the famous iRobot and Philips, and this is in China, of course, and Z-Bot also in China, and these are in China. iRobot right now have occupied about 52% of the market, and all the other belong to Chinese company. To specifically to the mopping robot, in Mint 2200, this is produced by iRobot. Right now it is the only opponent. However, there are some drawbacks of that robot. The first is low efficient. I have tested in a certain corner, if you put some wire, it will do the mopping, sometimes half hour to come out. For example, in this small corner, you put a lot of stuff there. It will sometimes spin there. And also, it can only use in small room. If in such a big room, it's very low efficient. So, my mopping robot is aimed at different using environment, include hospitals, companies, schools, and malls, big area. This is the difference of my product and iRobot, because iRobot have a strong ability to compute. So I have to select the different angle to compute with different market. There are a lot of risks in electronic consumer device. The first is the sales risk. To cope with the sales risk, first have to customer this device, like different type of customer. I just mentioned before, hospital or some school, and also to localize the design. Like in China, like in America, they have different living style, different use purpose, so customized. And also, there are a lot of China companies in China, copycat. So in order to avoid copycat, I will emphasize on first is IP protection. The second is improve the research and the development speed to let them keep up space with my product, and also the brand building. This is the 5-year investment plan. The first year is emphasis on research and development. This have already finished. And this year is emphasis on small batch production. And next year, we will emphasize on scale production. And then sales expansion. In 2018, we will expanding the production line. This is the amount of investment. Except the investment, I think the benefit is also important. This is the benefit chart of the investment. So today I have introduced something about the mopping robot. First, I introduced the highlight of the mopping robot, and then in the navigation, market analysis, and return of investment analysis, and profit analysis. Okay, if there are some questions. Okay.
About how large do you think the mopping robot will be?
It's dependent on different environment. For the house use, it's about such a big size. But if in the public place, it's much bigger to increase the efficiency. Please.
How much do you think you can sell this unit
It's dependent.
for home use?
Yeah. I think the market occupation, according to my prediction, it can about 20% of the clean robot. The whole market of the clean robot include a vacuum. A vacuum robot, this can occupy about 20% of that market.
What unique price do you think?
The price?
Yes.
The price depends on different time. Like 2 years before, the price is about let me see, about $400 US.
Is this device mopping with liquids,
It's
or is it dry mopping?
it have two working mode. One is dry mode, and other is can add some moisture, liquid inside, and wet mode and dry mode, two mode. Okay, it's I think the time is limited. Thank you very much.